Welcome to our exploration of Punta Cana, the ultimate getaway destination for families seeking sun, sand, and endless smiles. Nestled in the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana offers a slice of paradise just 2 hours away from Miami. Picture this: powdery sands beneath your feet, gentle waves lapping at the shore, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. Punta Cana's beaches are a haven for relaxation and adventure alike. Dive into crystal clear waters teeming with vibrant marine life, or simply soak up the sun while building sandcastles with your little ones. But the allure of Punta Cana doesn't end at the shoreline. With all-inclusive packages, your family's every need is catered to from the moment you arrive. Enjoy hassle-free travel with round-trip flights and seamless transportation to and from the resort. Once there, indulge in gourmet dining experiences at five-star restaurants, where local flavors tantalize your taste buds. With over 5 swimming pools and endless activities for kids, boredom is simply not an option. From water sports to beach volleyball, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And as the sun sets, the fun continues with live music shows and entertainment that captivate audiences of all ages. Punta Cana, nestled in the heart of the Dominican Republic, beckons travelers with promises of pristine white sand beaches and crystal clear turquoise waters. But this vibrant town offers more than just sun and surf. From thrilling water adventures to educational attractions, Punta Cana ensures that families have a vacation filled with unforgettable experiences. Dive beneath the surface and discover a vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful coral reefs and exotic marine life. Snorkeling excursions provide families with the opportunity to explore these mesmerizing ecosystems up close. For those craving deeper exploration, scuba diving adventures offer unparalleled opportunities to immerse oneself in the rich marine biodiversity of Punta Cana. Certified instructors ensure a safe and unforgettable experience for divers of all skill levels. Exploring the Chocolate Museum. Indulge your sweet tooth and satisfy your curiosity at the Chocolate Museum, where families can learn about the history and production of this beloved treat. Interactive exhibits and delicious tastings make for a delightful experience for visitors of all ages. Dolphin encounters, making memories. Make lifelong memories with your family as you embark on an unforgettable dolphin encounter. Interact with these intelligent creatures in their natural habitat, learning about their behaviors and conservation efforts to protect them. Punta Cana is known for its safety and hospitality, making it an ideal destination for families. The best time to visit Punta Cana is during the dry season, from December to April, when the weather is sunny and pleasant. As our journey to Punta Cana comes to a close, we invite you to embark on your own adventure to this tropical paradise. Whether you're seeking relaxation or excitement, Punta Cana offers the perfect escape for your next family vacation. Book your trip today and create memories that will last a lifetime.